My name's Yazzie. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Power of Beauty inspired by Nikkie tutorials video on the Power of Beauty and what does that mean to you and what it means to me. So basically this is the first video that I'm doing on my channel that is just me. So hello, I am a beauty therapist. I am not working at the moment. This is just something that I'm doing as a hobby and something that I'm really interested in. So I hope you enjoy. Please comment down below what you think beauty is to you and what it means to you. I will definitely go in depth about beauty and what it means to me, creating this look. So here we go. So before I start to put on my foundation, I like to wipe off the excess oil with Neutrogena wipes. Any makeup wipes will do. As you can see, I don't have eyebrows at the moment. That is not a natural occurrence for me. Maybe when I was like 10, but I tattooed my eyebrows when I was 20, so that's 4 years ago now. And yeah, you'll laugh at this, but my mum basically said that they had been getting a bit orange. That's just from the tattooing. And I thought, I know what will fix this. I don't want to have orange eyebrows, so I'll just shave them off. Guys, when you tattoo your eyebrows, they go on the skin. So I shaved off my eyebrows thinking it's gonna, you know, help me not have orange eyebrows. But the orange is on the skin. So don't shave off your eyebrows. I mean, you know, the Jeffree Star movement, I just wanted to be a part of it. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Tarte concealer, creaseless concealer. Never really noticed that before. I just like to go in under the eye like this, on the other eye like this. Then a few dots up here, one line down the nose, on the chin area. And I know like you shouldn't go in ham like on your chin because like that's like, you know, the whole T-zone, because that's what gets super oily. But I do, just because I think from childhood, well, from being a teenager and going to high school, and that being my problem area was my chin. I had heaps of pimples. I still do, which is such a lie that adults tell us when we get into our 20s that we're no longer going to have pimples. And I was like, I can't wait to be old. Don't wish for it. You'll always have pimples. It's just like you gotta clean your skin. You gotta make sure you're sleeping right and eating well, which I don't eat well and I don't sleep well because that's life, okay? Alright, and what I like to do is I like to get my beauty blender and some Max Factor Healthy Skin Harmony foundation in light ivory. With SPF 20. Hello, I like this because it's like super moisturizing. And for me, I don't like to blend in my concealer. I like to blend it in with foundation. Why? I don't know. Just that's how I like it. And I don't think it does anything special. But I feel like it's like when I blend out my concealer before my foundation, I feel like, well, what's the point of that? You know? Because then I have to blend twice and I don't want to do that. So this is lazy girl makeup right here, but that's just me. So back to like the Power of Beauty, and what the Power of Beauty means to me is just embracing who you are on your face. So basically just being 100% you, that you can't always show, you know, when you go to work and when you go to school, which you should be able to, but we're all insecure. So I feel like on your face you can just fully shine and be 100% yourself, and that's when, you know, people normally come up to you when you're wearing crazy things or even just like a whole ton of makeup that's like natural glam. People still comment and say, oh, that looks pretty. And for me, like, I just like feeling, I guess, confident, but it's not about looking different than what I am. It's about just like being creative, and I'm liking colors at the moment thanks to Jeffree Star. Like, he's really bringing in the colors, and today we're actually going to be working with the Jeffree Star X Morphe palette, which let's all just pretend it's the what's it called, oh my goodness, mental blank. the conspiracy part. Like deep down, I really wish that I was more proactive and I had saved money before the launch had come out, but I hadn't. And I could have borrowed money from my mum, but I didn't feel like that was the right time, and I wish I did, because now, like, we have to wait until, well, it is 2020, but I don't know when they're gonna restock, but we're waiting forever. It feels like forever. Using the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. Look at all these colors, guys. This is like insane. Look how insane that is. Look how insane. Insane. In the membrane. Alright, so I'm going to do a pink look today, which you would have seen early on in this video. So I'm just going to get my pink brush, because I got like different brushes for different colors. That just saves you a lot of time and effort. I hate like washing my brushes. Alright, so we're going to go in with color Dog Mum. We're going to go in with color Dog Mum. And I'm just going to put it all over the eyelid. So there's like a method to my madness. We're gonna like go fully in, and by the end of it you'll see me just blend it all out, put a bit of concealer underneath my brow, and then that like blends it all together as well and makes it like a proper look and not something that you would wear for Halloween. Which, you know, if that's you, do you. If you like the Halloween non-blended look, cool. And I'm not a clean cut sort of person when it comes to makeup. I do not know how to cut my crease. I need someone to teach me. I'm getting the color 2. Isn't that pretty? It's got a lot of like pearlness in there. And we're just gonna go into the corners. See? Into the corners like that. Going in with Self-Made. It's like a purpley pink color. It's really pretty. You know, Jeffree Star, he loves his pinks, and I love my pinks. I had a pink car. It's gone now, and most of the stuff in my room is pink. I like pink. My dream when I was a kid was to grow up and have a Barbie car, and I sort of like achieved that. I'm just gonna go in, just, you know, lightly dabbing the outer edge like so. Ooh. So as I said before, lightly dabbing, which is on the outer edge, but I'm sort of just keep creeping it up there. Just like, I like the majority of the pigment to be down here on the outer edge, on the lid, but then I go up a little bit and just like add to the previous color. And I'm gonna get some more of this Self-Made and put it underneath like that, like that. Ooh, pretty. We can go back in with the pearl color, which I should have done before, but anyway, and just put it on the teardrop area. Tear duct area, like that. Just like lightly pressing it in. It's like a highlighter. Look at that shine, it's so pretty. Back to the power of makeup and what it does for me. For me, as a high school student, it was about trying to be someone I wasn't and trying to fit in and trying to do all this. So makeup can be used for evil. It can, you know, evil to our own selves and thinking that we need to be something else. That's just, you know, the way the world works and society works. But basically I grew out of that and realized that makeup was like a power for good, and we could just not care so much about, you know, what other people around us are doing and what is cool and popular around us. If it doesn't make us feel good, then why are we doing it? Because it's just such a short life that we live and we want to be happy. So do as much as you can to be happy. If you're not hurting anyone, just go for it. Then I'm going in with color Don't Know Her. Don't Know Her. I feel like very Mean Girls. This is very Mean Girls, so I like this. And we're just gonna do a little bit of a pointy edge right here. That's how I like to do it, a little pointy edge. Little pointy point. What does this do? in my head it does something, but you don't have to do this. I like it being pointy. I have like almond shaped eyes, so I don't know, I like the pointy cat eye look. And then we're gonna go in with Calabasas. Hello, Calabasas represent. I'll blend it out in a moment. So I'm just going out to the outer edge, the crease, and then the outer edge with the meeting up with the previous color, like that. So it looks a bit crazy right now. I look like a Disney Queen villain, which I love the Disney Queens. They're great. Who cares about the Disney princesses? I want to be a Disney Queen. You know what I mean? And then I'm going to blend it out with my fingers. You might be disturbed by this, but that's just how I do it. You can do it with a sponge if you want to. I might do that later because I do have a lot of sponges that I don't really use and I can use for blending, but I like just using my finger. See how we're going to turn this pointy edge into just a whole like almond thing happening. Like so. We're gonna go in with an eyebrow pencil because I have no eyebrows. Now let's find my eyebrow pencil. Where is it? So we're using Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil. Hello, well done. Okay, so because I have no eyebrows, I'm just gonna try and imagine that they're there so that I don't mess this up. I'm just gonna bring in my mirror a little bit closer. We're going to go in with the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette by MAC. It is amazing. As you can see, I love it so much. It's almost finished. I have a new one coming in the mail soon, so I'm very happy about that. So what I personally like to do is I like to blend all three colors, as you can see, all the white colors there. Blend them all together and make just one big color. Because see, this lighter white color is like has some pearl essence in there. I don't know what it's called. Pearl shimmer. And it just makes it all a little bit better. I like to really go underneath my eye because I feel like, I know a lot of people were baking a lot, baking their under eye, but I never fully understood it. I never really got the concept when I thought, well, I'm already putting powder underneath my eye. What's the big deal? Comment below, teach me how to bake. I don't know, I don't understand it. But this does the trick for me. I feel like it does exactly the same thing. So I like to make like a boomerang. Has anyone seen what a boomerang looks like? It's like a weird triangle shape. Just from my cheekbones to my temples. Make like a little boomerang shape. Now we're going to use the Wonder Wing eyeliner by Rimmel. And I sort of just stamp it down, just stamp it. Okay, so once the eyeliner is done, I like to go in with my highlighter. Yes, so I'm gonna highlight with the Hyper Real Glow by MAC, and as you can see by the mess that this is something that I use a lot. I'm gonna go in with the lightest color here. I don't know what it's called, but it's the lightest color. I'm just gonna go in. Use that. Yes, for me, on what Nikki was saying about how a lot of people, there's a lot of a stigma on beauty and that it's about, you know, looking good for boys and looking good for other people, but it's not about that. If you're really interested in makeup and you love makeup and you wear it on the daily, chances are you're wearing it because it makes you feel good and it makes you feel like you can like fully like expose your real self and show all your creativity and your craziness. And that is something that I feel like I got a lot of more in high school than I do now as an adult, is that people are like, who are you trying to impress? Who's your crush? What's going on? Why are you wearing so much makeup? Because I like it. I like makeup. I like wearing it dark. I like wearing it crazy. You know, at the moment, like I'm wearing, you know, bright color, pink. I'm wearing the pinky pink. When I was in high school, I was a total emo, so I wore a lot of eyeliner, too much eyeliner. I look back and go, ugh. But at the time, I loved it and I rocked that eyeliner, okay? Okay, now I'm going in with Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline in color 65, Seductress. And I'm just gonna do a 2014 moment and really just like overline our lips. Because that's the mood I'm in, okay? That's the mood I'm in. Alright, now I'm using Lancome Hypnosis Waterproof Doll Eyes Mascara. Man, that was a mouthful. So I have like naturally really short eyelashes. Like, it pains me how short they are. Like, it hurts my feelings. And I know a lot of people are really into eyelash extensions, which I am too, but not strip lashes. Like, strip lashes annoy me so much. I feel like they never fit my eye properly, even though like I trim it down to fit my eye shape. It just doesn't stay there. It just like rises on one angle because it's like sort of rounded, like where my lash line is. It's rounded and then like really long on like down here near my tear duct. Do you think it's funny how many faces we pull in the mirror? And then I like to do my bottom lashes because I like that. A lot of people don't, but I love it. I feel like it really opens up my eye. You could use eyeliner, but I don't know. Eyeliner for me feels like it's closing in my eye. I don't know. Maybe it's all in my head, but that's how I feel. Ta-da! So I'm using Max Factor Lasting Performance Setting Spray. It's thebomb.com. I know a lot of people don't really use Max Factor anymore. I just give it a little bit of a shake and just go all in. Don't open your eyes, it'll sting. But it really does set your face. It'll last forever. Chemicals, love it. Okay, so that's it. That's the final look. Hello Pink, matching the pink aesthetic right here. Loving it. Okay, bye, see you next time. And that's the look for today. Boom. Go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but it's gonna be some more makeup stuff and some more travel and a whole bunch of other stuff. So go ahead, subscribe, click that bell. I don't know what I'm saying, but hey, I'll be around. Bye.